Hello, Math 10 students. Welcome to 7.5, part 4. This will be our final part of 7.5. And today we're going to be going over your Check Your Understanding number 4 on page 436. All right, so again, we're continuing on using the system, using elimination as our method of solving linear system of equations. All right, so this one they say solve this linear system. Okay, I'd also recommend looking through the example. As always, this book is so awesome and it goes through really good detail, which is really great for you guys. So let's go ahead and look at our like terms first. X, x, not the same coefficient. Y, y, not the same coefficient. Okay, no problem. So let's see how we could perhaps make our x value, the coefficient on both, the same. I'd say the easiest way would be, what could I multiply this 3 by to get a 9? Excellent, 3. So let's multiply this whole equation by 3. All right, 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times 9y, 27y. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, again, we've just made an equivalent linear equation by multiplying each term by 3. All right, now that we have that, we're going to be able to use elimination. So I'm just going to rewrite that down here. Now, just so you know, it wouldn't matter which linear equation I wrote first and which one I wrote second. Okay, I'm just doing this first because it was first, but again, it doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer. All right, let's subtract. Again, I'm subtracting the whole thing. So 9 minus 9, 0. 27y minus a minus, we know that means to add. So that would be 33y. 15 minus a minus would be 22. All right, so y equals 22 over 33. We can simplify that, which would be the same as 2 over 3, right? Because I can divide both by 11. So we've got 2 over 3. Great. Now what we could do is we could take this value that we got for y, 2 over 3, and we could go back and we could substitute it in one of these equations and solve for x. But what I'm going to do is show you that you could use elimination again, okay, to do that. So let's go back to our original two equations. All right, so we have our y is 2 over 3. I'll just write that on the side so we remember. Our y is 2 over 3. Okay, now we're trying to solve for x. So to solve for x, we need to eliminate y. Okay, excellent. So let's look at our y values. We have a 9 and a 6. So if you ever get stuck and you're thinking, I don't know what I can multiply these two equations by to get them to be the same, you could always multiply this one by 6 and this one by 9, and you would get 54 for both of those. So that would always work. But if you want to keep your numbers a little smaller, what you want to do is see if you can find the least common multiple, or the smallest number you can think of that they both divide evenly into. So if I think about that, 9, 18, 27, 36, okay? 6, 12, 18, ooh, 18, I just said 18 with the 9. So 18 would be the smallest number they both divide evenly into, or the lowest common multiple. So let's get them both to be an 18. What do I need to multiply this one by to have this to be 18? 2. And what do I need to multiply this by to get this to be 18? 3. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to write these down below. Okay, so 2 times 3x, 6x, plus 18y equals 10, right? I multiplied that 2 by each term. Let's do the same with the 3. 3 times 9 is 27x. 3 times minus 6 is 18y minus 21. Okay, I like this because it's given me another example to show you where they're the same but different signs. And so in this case, we would add, okay? We're going to add these together, and you'll see why. So that would be 33x, 18 plus a minus. Those cancel out now, right? Because they have the opposite signs. And this would be negative 11. So my x would be negative 11 over 33. Let's reduce that. Negative 1 over 3. Okay, so we have our answers. And the method that we used this time was using elimination twice. Again, I could have, once I did elimination once, gone back and substituted that answer for this y into either the equation and solve for x, and I would have also gotten the 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3. But I just wanted to show you that you could use elimination twice, okay? So it's really your preference on a lot of these questions of what way you like to solve the best. All right, so that was the check your understanding number 4. And I'm going to give you a couple of questions. And these questions I do want you to hand in to me. By hand in, I mean email in. All right. And let me just grab my scribbler here. Okay, you're going to go to page 437, and I just like to see 3D and 17. Okay? So I'll have you pass those in. That will be graded. I just want to make sure that you're grasping how to use this method of elimination to solve. All right, as always, please feel free to be in contact with me if you have any questions. Have a great day.